This is one of my favorite ways to put waves in my hair when I don't have a lot of time. Put your hair up into 2 pigtails. Make sure the hair ties are tight so that they don't leave really big indents in your hair. And then you're just going to take very small, thin sections of the ponytails, wrap them around your curling wand or your curling iron, and hold them. I like to keep my finger on the hair so I can feel when it starts to get hot, and that's when you know it is heated all the way through and you can drop that curl. The reason that this is easier than just going through and curling your hair is because a lot of people find it difficult to section out their hair. When you do it this way in 2 ponytails like this, you're not going to miss any chunks. You don't have to worry about whether or not you missed pieces in the back if they're still straight. When you're dropping sections down, you don't have to worry about everything getting tangled with the curls you've already created. It just helps to keep everything organized and make it really easy to use. And if you have thinner, fine hair like me, then it's just such a quick way to do it because it just nicely sections all your hair into 2 small sections for you to work with. You can see here when I'm curling what I would consider my bad side. I'm holding the curling wand up. It really doesn't matter. As long as you get curls in, it doesn't matter what direction you're curling around the wand or what direction you're holding the wand, as long as you just get curls into the hairs in those ponytails. Once everything is curled, you can add any dry texture spray or hairspray that you want, but make sure that you don't pull anything out of the ponytails until your hair is 100% cool. That's really important, otherwise your curls are definitely going to drop. As you can see, I have left the pieces out at the front, so I will curl those away from my face. You can go towards or away, whatever you want. I leave those pieces out so that I get just a little bit more curl around my face. If I had pulled those pieces back into my ponytail, then my hair would be a little more straight around my face, which is also fine. It just depends on what look you want, but I like it to be a little more curled around my face. Once it is all cool, you just slide them out. If there's any bumps left from the hair ties, those will fall out pretty quickly if you didn't tie the ties too tight. Shake it all out, and it just gives you that perfect, effortless, beachy wave look that I love. I think it looks great from the back. That part from having your hair in a ponytails will go away as well pretty quickly. And yeah, it just looks awesome every time. Gives my hair a ton of volume. I hope that helps. And if you have problems with your hair holding curls, the only thing I can say is you have too much moisture in your hair, and I can make a video on that another time. But see you guys next time.